Around.
Good.
Brakes are on. Might need a bit of choke actually because she's been sat here. Clear prop!
Line up on the centre of the runway. If anything untoward happens on the roll, we're going to bring back the power, keep straight with the rudders, gently brake. If we get an engine failure on the climb out,
I'm going to put the nose down.
Yeah, good. Call lining up then.
God, Charlie India, Charlie Foxtrot is lining up runway 24. Okay, ready to go?
Yep.
Let's go. So that's slight crosswind that way, so I'm going to do that.
Cool. You want to stick a bit further back than that. Out there. That's it. Otherwise it feels like a boat that starts to bounce. That's nice. As we come away, relaxing that pressure, completely relaxing the pressure. Good. Make sure you relax it as we come away. Good. It's holding its speed nicely. Have some pressure sort of in the mix.
All good.
So what we're going to do is clear to the south.
Okay.
And we're going to join right hand downwind for the runway 16. So head straight to the radio mast. Don't want to turn left. That's it. Good. Watch your speed. A little bit slow. Good. So we're not going to actually touch down on this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Just want you to keep straight down the middle. Do whatever you need to do.
Do you have control?
I would have the wing down.
Okay.
I'd be tracking straight down the middle, see?
Oh, okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Let's just... Right, so do whatever you need to do. Oh, it's quite significant.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is fun.
Over to the left. That's it. Left rudder with a right stick. Right stick. That's it. Use the power now. Good. Don't go into the hedge. Oh, don't let the nose go down. That's it. You got it? Yeah. Good. Very nice, Mikey. Away from the hedge. There you go. Got it?
Yeah.
Nose straight, right rudder. That's better, you got it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, into balance now, into balance. Good. Nice one.
Thank you. Sorry, there's a few mistakes there, that was...
No, you were there. Good. Don't be afraid to hold in that stick until you are the centre line. That's better. There you are. There you go, that's much better. Well done. Really good. Keep a bit of power. Don't take all the power. Oh. Yeah, so you just need to hold it. Hold it in the middle. Just fly level with the runway. Like that, see? Yeah. Right, let's go around and try that again. There you go, see? Yeah. Okay, you got it. You have control.
I have control.
Full power, let's go. Oh, sorry, I have control this one.
You have control.
A little bit late on that. Cool. You have control, there you go.
I have control. No, don't be sorry.
That was really nice. I like that. Yeah, that's cool. We're done.
We're done?
We're done.
And
I'm happy.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Get the nose straight. That's it. You got it.